Alrighty, this is the light source that is remaining over me, has remained over me since I captured video this morning. You saw it over me this morning at the Ontario Museum, which is where the entity is starting the day off with what is not the actual sun as we know it. This is what is properly referred to as the fake sun, as an entity that is the public entity is engaging in criminal surveillance in violation of existing federal law. The government is not doing it by itself. The government is doing it with the people of the state. And it is also relevant to note that this criminal surveillance system that the government is doing in concert with the people of the state is entirely satanic. And that is what is the inspiration with regard to what is the impossibility of this light source. As I remain in Ontario, I'm specifically at the intersection of State Street and Bonneview in Ontario, having walked what is east on Holt Boulevard. It's called Crossing Path by a Demon, license 8MMZ860. You have what is the fake sun that remains over me. This is 435 South Bonneview, right over here. Recall February 4th, 2022. I'm on the grounds of that property at 1:02 p.m. and the fake sun's right over me, while Union Pacific, which you hear on my podcast today, is providing what is audible activity pursuant to what is ongoing surveillance as to what I'm doing. At that time, I'm moving and I'm going toward the restroom at that venue of Bonneview, 435 South Bonneview. The entity's light source is right over me, and then I remain at this venue on February 4th. I then show you what is the Ontario Police engaging in surveillance, and I walk to this side of the street because I want you to recognize what is the fake sun that remains over my head, which is this is the same street, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 9:50 in the morning right now, and I'm documenting, first of all, this is an impossibility. Second of all, you also know it's impossible because yesterday I'm walking, I'm in the city of Upland at the Chevron and then going to the Upland Public Library. It's also impossible, January 27th, I am at the property of the Pomona Regional Transit Center, remaining there. All right, it's also impossible because on January 22nd, the light source remains over me while I am in the city of Ontario at Starbucks. The light source is remaining over Holt Boulevard at 9:47, moving over the B&G Plaza, the same B&G Plaza that I captured this morning where it was already over me today. That's not the sun. This is all manner of direction while maintaining central presence over me at all times of the day. It is also exclusive to what is maintaining presence over a very specific street, over a very specific building, and doing so for the duration of the day. This is not the sun. License 7TZZ947. It is currently 9:51 a.m. This is P.O.C. This is, again, that's Mercy House right over here, 435 South Bonneview. This is the intersection of State and Bonneview. This is a demon that's stalking with directed light. This is the prosecution of the people. It is no distraction from the fake sun that they're under. It's unfortunate. This is the prosecution of the people of the state. License 8HNC690. That's the conduct of Satan. And you're understanding what are the population of the demon possessed in California. When they engage in this sort of conduct, while they are in no way distracting from what I am revealing to the world, this is not the actual sun that remains over me. I am subject to surveillance and terrorism in the state of California. Terrorism by the demon possessed, which you just saw that third party demonstrate while you are driving under what is not even the sun. Even if it was, understand there is no light projection that's going to horizontally reach out into the wall. That's a demon stalking the path with light. This is P.O.C.